Can you put bird sounds in the back of this?
Oh my God. Like that.
You want it fun or boring?
Hold on, let me think it through real quick.
Cut, Ben. Ben, you're doing it again.
How do I look?
Do I look pretty?
Howdy, buckaroos. It's Tana time.
From your good friends at Keystone.
When equipped with the trifold sleeper slofa.
You got me self-conscious now. It's not fine. I need to start bringing some hair gel or lotion.
Get you some beard butter. Get you a beard butter.
It is trimmed. I trimmed it Friday. To a number 3 on the 3 is very short.
Hey, do you want to come on our fantastic voyage? Come along and ride on. That's too
Slide, slippity slide.
No, what would we say?
Guys, thanks again for watching.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay.
And remember, Keystone wants you to camp better.
Like, oh my God.
You kidding me? I'm sorry. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Hey, why don't you say wow when we walk in?
Okay.
You walked in like a...
I could go 2 and 1, but you think down to a 2 would be a little better? I'm okay with a 2.
Oh, from all of us at Keystone.
To see all of our how-to content, and thanks for watching.
We're gonna do that one more time.
Of course we are.
Keystone. That's it.
I loved it. Did you not like it?
I actually like that. Was it good?
Okay.